Chicken video. Chicken video. Week 3. You could also go like this. That's 3 in sign language. This is 4. It's Sailor Moon. Okay, so oh, we're watching this thing about reindeer herders.
I want to be a reindeer herder when
And Emily didn't know reindeers were real.
I didn't know they were real.
You have to help us.
And
Our life, this job,
I think we should be reindeer herders on a Thursday.
Taking over
Should be
this
reindeer
job.
herders. No, we should be Eskimos on the beach.
Yes!
Okay.
Do
we have a purpose?
No.
Okay. I wanted to fill you guys in. But Emily's texting, so she's not like. Okay, so Alex was talking to me, and I was like, Emily's so much crazier at my house than she is at school, and she's like, I don't believe that, and I was like, really? You don't believe that? Like,
Which Alex?
Meyer.
She better believe it. You better believe it.
Like,
Watch at Kelly's house, I'm like, and at home I'm like, ew, girl.
It's very important, and
Yeah.
I just went back.
Yeah.
And
That's okay. At least she's not throwing up this time.
Oh my God, that's awesome.
I'm really excited about the whole her not throwing up thing.
But I,
really hard.
oh, I was like,
Okay.
Challenge for us.
So,
I got my finger. I got my finger.
go listen to our music. Phone's yours.
Yeah, we're gonna record a new song later.
I guess we are. So keep an eye out for our new single.
Oh, and I
Ouch. For our new single. No, neither. No, neither. I think that's a quarter. Go look and see if that's a quarter by the chicken.
No, but here's a
Single! Okay, sorry. Wait, bring it back.
the quarter.
No, the single.
Oh.
Keep an eye out for our new single!
I got the quarter.
And I got the single.
That makes it $1.25. We're better than 50 cents. We're $1.25.
You know $1.50 is a reference to Guy's
It was
Peas.
so exciting.
Oh my God, I want
It's like
$1.75.
$1 and like 50.
Well, here's a dime. It can be like messed up. Yes.
Okay.
I worked really hard.
It's really
Reindeer! They're white.
So are you.
She has earned my respect. And
She has my stuff. Hey,
I'm so really proud of me. Mom, your drinking drives me to this.
this is me when I don't look like
I'm attractive.
Bethany said, I don't think that was a fake cry. I think she was actually crying.
Everyone thinks that Emily's really pretty.
What you think?
I used to think so. Until she came over to my house. And I realized she was a sunfish. Then I remembered that she just called her a bimbo. You're a bimbo.
I was thinking she was a bimbo, but today I love Chelsea. I thought you were gonna hit me.
Oh. Moret and her family are packing
Okay,
the
it's
camp and
over.
going back to their home in town.
It's over. It's over.